Hi everyone, this is Kevin here, and in this video I would like to introduce a new device from Blackview. This is the Blackview BV9900. So Blackview has really been on a roll in 2019, launching a variety of new phones, both in the rugged smartphone category and then also the more traditional form factor. Now the BV9900 is without a doubt a rugged device. In fact, here on their website, Blackview describes it as an indestructible camera rugged phone, so both putting an emphasis on the camera quality as well as the fact that this phone is very rugged. Now I'm going to scroll through here and go over the various highlights about the device, and then Blackview is going to be eventually sending one out to me for me to cover here on the channel, so I'm certainly very excited about that. Now, as far as the cameras go, we're getting a Sony 48 megapixel ultra clear camera as the main camera. You're also getting a depth sensing camera for portrait mode, and then you're getting a 16 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. So if you're really into taking ultra wide angle photos and video, as I know many people are, especially nowadays, then the BV9900 is certainly a great option for you. Now, powering the BV9900 are some great internals. So the device features the MediaTek Helio P90 processor. I actually haven't even had a chance to use a phone with the P90 yet, but I've used the P70 and P60, and those have been very decent processors that are nice and capable, certainly much better than other processors that I've used from MediaTek in the past. So I'm guessing that the MediaTek Helio P90 takes things up even further. In addition to that, you're getting 8 gigabytes of RAM with the phone, and 256 gigabytes of internal storage. So lots of internal storage and lots of RAM with the BV9900. In addition to that, the phone has a variety of different certifications for durability, including IP68 and IP69K ratings, and can operate in temperatures ranging from negative 30 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius, so very hot and cold temperatures won't cause this phone any problems at all. With the device, we're getting a 5.84 inch FHD Plus, which is 1080p, water drop display with Corning Gorilla Glass 5, so a very nice display here with a good resolution and also a pretty decent size too. We're getting a very beefy battery at 4,380 milliamp hours. It features wireless charging at 10 watts and is compatible with 18-watt wired charging. We're also getting a variety of different sensors in this device that are certainly very unique that you don't see very often, including a heart rate monitor, a barometer, a hydrometer, and a UV meter. So very unique sensors there with the phone. So those are certainly some very unique features. The phone also has support for global LTE bands, including dual 4G voice over LTE. It also supports 38 global bands as well, in addition to that. So you're going to have no problem using the Blackview BV9900 with your favorite GSM carrier. The phone has NFC support, so you're going to be able to use Google Pay with it with no issues, and it features Android 9 Pie. But this phone is designed to be very durable. It's drop proof up to 1.5 meters in height. It's fully dust proof as well, and then of course it has those various certifications that I talked about earlier in this video. But certainly a very rugged design here. It will certainly withstand the elements, whether that's water, dust, or cold temperatures, or warm temperatures too. If you live in an environment with negative 30 degrees Celsius temperatures, which if you do, I feel very sorry for you, but at least you'll have a nice working phone with the BV9900. And again, under the hood, you're going to be getting great performance. I'm really excited to run the Antutu benchmark test with this phone when I get it, but it's going to feature the Helio P90 processor. But it is insane how you're getting a really good processor with this, a lot of RAM, and a lot of storage as well. So awesome performance with the BV9900. You're getting a depth sensing camera, and I actually forgot to mention this. You're getting a 2 megapixel macro camera as well. So it's a quad camera setup with this phone. You're getting a flash, of course, too. What's especially awesome about this device from Blackview is that they're not just saying that it has a good camera, because I've used other Blackview devices in the past and the camera quality has been very top notch. Because I know that sometimes if a phone does have a 48 megapixel camera, that doesn't always mean you're actually getting good photo and video quality. But with the BV9900, I'm very confident that it is going to deliver on its promises. Of course, with that wide angle camera, you're going to be able to fit a lot more content into the frame, and it just kind of gives you a new way to capture your surroundings. It also has super night shot mode, so you can capture the mysterious night. So if you're going camping or just doing anything outdoors, the photography does not end when the sun goes down. And if you're really into taking photos and videos underwater, it does have a underwater camera mode, which is great. Again, you can go up to 1.5 meters in depth below the water level surface, and you'll have no issues at all with the phone getting waterlogged or not working. So it's designed to go underwater, which is awesome. You're getting a very nice selfie camera too at 16 megapixels. So you're gonna be able to take nice, clear, front-facing photos. And you can see here, these are some of the samples of photos that have been taken with the device. You can see the watermark is even included in these photos. So when I get the phone, I'm really excited to put that to the test to see what it really looks like. And a nice durable display, a 2280 by 1080 resolution, 5.84 inches, a 19 by 9 aspect ratio, and Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Another cool advantage too with this phone is that it does feature a dual SIM tray, and you can actually configure it to support a micro SD card as well if you wish. Unfortunately, you can't use two SIM cards and an SD card. You can either do two SIMs or an SD card and a SIM. But for most people, I think that's totally fine. Not a problem at all. I forgot to mention too, we are getting a decibel meter with this phone as well, which is great. So a lot of different meters. So it really is the full package here. And then again, you're getting NFC. So that's great for all of you that use that all the time. So here's another cool feature. So the Blackview BV9900 comes with a side fingerprint sensor for quick unlocking, and it has a side assistant key that can be customized for 7 alternative function shortcuts or quick opening for a dedicated app. So you can set this up to open up whatever app you want it to. You can also set it up to do a screenshot or open the flashlight or go to the game mode. So a bunch of really cool options here. And again, Android 9 Pie, no ads or bloatware. They're giving you great software with this phone, packed full of awesome features. So that is the Blackview BV9900. They are running a contest here, so if you want to win one, you do have the opportunity to do that. But I'm certainly looking forward to getting this phone so that I can try it out and create videos about it for all of you. But let me know what you think about the Blackview BV9900. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful and informative. But again, this is Kevin here. This is the Blackview BV9900, and I will see you in the next video.